Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to a new video. Here I'll be making chicken sandwiches and sweet potato fries for my kids. Okay, here I'm making a brine, starting off with a cup of buttermilk, and then I eyeball how much pickle juice I pour in there, but you definitely want to add pickle juice to your brine. It's best to let this soak overnight, or at least for 30 minutes before you cook it. And then after I add the brine, that's when I go in with my favorite seasonings. You guys can use whatever seasoning you like. Use as much of it as you like or as little of it as you like. This is me using kicking chicken. I love kicking chicken, so definitely was using this. And then next thing you know, I mix it all up and let it sit for a little bit. Is it me that only got noisy kids when you cooking and trying to do a video? Because why are they being so noisy? I do apologize in advance. Don't be stingy with your seasoning because that's where all the flavor is. And then we're going to put this in some seasoned flour. That's what I have in the other bowl. Okay, here you're going to take your soaked chicken from the brine, then you're going to put it in the seasoned flour, then you're going to dip it in the egg, and then you're going to put it in the seasoned flour, and then you're going to repeat until all your chicken is double coated. Hey y'all, stop. Once they look like this and you're done double coating them, it's time to drop those babies in the grease. Yes, look at that. They're going to come out so good. That's the key to double coating. The crust, oh my God. And the succulent, juicy chicken in the inside. Yes, you cannot go wrong. I always say double coat your chicken, especially when you make a homemade chicken sandwiches. And of course, as always, when you get those babies golden brown like me, that's when you want to pull them on. They close to done. Here we're preheating our oil for our sweet potato fries. So yes, you want to get this up to the highest temperature you can get it, but not burn it. Here you see me just peeling some sweet potatoes, and then I'm going to slice these and get those prepped for the grease.
You have to go where?
You can slice yours as thick or as thin as you want. Mine are pretty thick because I like thick cut sweet potato fries.
Like my daddy said. You gotta go to urgent care.
Okay.
Right now. No, Bricky, don't climb. Right now. Mommy. Mommy, look at Bricky. Mommy, look at Bricky. No, Bricky, don't climb the stove. Don't climb in the stove. Give her. That's mine. Want a doggy? That's mine.
I got this bowl of water back here because after you cut them, you want to soak these in some cold water so the water can release the starch from the potatoes and that'll help it crisp up.
No, mine.
Okay, so after you soak them, you want to boil these for a minute in some boiling water, but do not overcrowd the pot because you don't want to make them mushy. All right, after you boil them, that's why mine are steaming hot like this. You dip them in some cornstarch water. This is the key to crispy sweet potatoes. Do not skip this step. Very important. Cornstarch water. All right, take your cornstarch sweet potatoes and drop them in that hot grease and let them go. They do not take long to cook, so don't overdo it. I am weak. Why are my kids like this? Oh my goodness. Nobody told me having 5 would be like this. Y'all, bear with me in making this video. I promise the future ones will get better. Alright, so after cutting up our vegetables, I'm going to finish prepping the lettuce. These are romaine leaves. You can use whatever lettuce you like, but if you use iceberg lettuce, just exit this video. It is not the same as... If you made it this far into the video, I just want to thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate all the support you guys give this channel. I really, really do. Let's keep it growing. We on the road to 10K right now. We already at 6, and I just thank you guys so much. Here are the perfect add-ons for the chicken sandwiches. I also made grilled chicken as well. And I have spicy mayo. I have regular mayo with olive oil. I have Dijon mustard. And of course, lettuce, tomato, and pickles. These were so good. My kids love them. Your kids going to love them. Your family is going to love them. I hope you love them too. Everything came out delicioso. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next video.